what you are connecting where. Okay, I'm going very slow. I can understand that, but I'm sorry. You need to know this. If you don't grasp the idea, then when you see bigger sentences, longer sentences, you might get confused. Right now, the next one is simple past. She studied. Okay, that's simple past. Says she studied for her exam last night. This is a completed action. The action is over, it's complete. And this one is past continuous. She was studying for her exam when the power went out. Now, this power went out is this is a past tense, simple past, right? But this is past continuous. Okay. Now, can you give me the meaning of this?
கரண்ட் போன பொழுது அவள் அவளது எக்ஸாமுக்காக படித்துக் கொண்டிருந்தாள்.
Correct. So that's the correct way of saying it. That's correct. So this is talking about an action in progress, but this action is in progress in the past tense, right? This is in the past. This happened in the past. Okay, that's the important part. You have to notice which one is happening when. Right. So when we want to explain an action in progress, but in the past, we use past continuous. Right? Well, when an action is in progress in present, we use present continuous. Right? I am speaking. You are listening. This is action in progress, நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற ஒரு action. But this action is in the present. இப்ப நடக்குது நிகழ்காலத்துல. Then I use present continuous. I am speaking, present continuous. Now I want to talk about an action that took place in the past, but progressively. Action in progress, but in the past. So I use past continuous. I was eating. She was studying. Is that clear? But it can become confusing if you don't get the idea and if you mix up 2-3 different tenses. Okay? If you are clear, then I'm happy. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with this slide, this one. So you have to go through all the slides. For tomorrow, for the next class, I'm going to ask you to read this. So please practice this. And I'm going to ask you to read as fast as you can. Okay, I want you to go as fast as you can. Okay, let me try it one time. The unexpected adventure. Last summer, I went on a camping trip with my friends. We packed our tents, sleeping bags, and plenty of food for the weekend. We were so excited to spend time in nature and explore the nearby forest. Okay, I want you to read like this. What will happen is if you try to read fast, your pronunciation will mess up. Okay, I want you to experience that. Because when you speak to somebody naturally, you will have to speak a little bit faster. So you have to get familiar for that. And these questions and answers, we will also ask the questions and answers in the next session. Then we will recap about this present continuous tense and when we use it. Then we will talk about this. We will practice a few sentences with past continuous tense, and we will see how to use present continuous, past continuous, and past simple in our daily usage. Okay, so these are your examples. You can write down your own example and practice. From now on, it depends on your practice. It is not in my talent. It is in your practice. If you improve, that is your practice. If you don't improve, that is you're not practicing it. Okay, so if you become very fluent in English, it's your effort and it's your credit, not mine. If you don't speak fluently in English, again, it's not my mistake. right? If you don't practice, you will not speak. That's it. Okay, now it's time for comments, feedback, anything.
நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இவ்வளோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா கிராமர் படிச்சேன்டா இப்பதான் இத்தனை வருஷத்துக்கு.
ஓகே, நீங்க ஃப்ரீயா கதைங்க, தமிழ்ல கதைங்க, பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நான் இதை ஓகே, நான் ஐ வில் ஸ்டாப் தி ரெக்கார்டிங். ஓகே.